Sabaydi. Back on the road. It's nice and chill. Really like how simple life is. Look at these cows just walking around. Now it makes me wonder though whether cows here are also eaten or killed for food, because there seems to be a lot of them on the streets and it looks like the locals doesn't really care about them much. So I guess they're just using them for grazing and not really for eating. That probably makes sense if most of the people here are practicing Buddhism, because they really aren't supposed to be eating any sort of meat. But saying that though, I'll take that back, because I've seen a lot of chicken around. Chickens being cooked on the streets, so I suppose that assumption doesn't really hold. Sabaydi. So I'm just pulling my trailer now because this road here is super slim. Oop. Motorbike's coming. Oop, there's a shard of glass. Gotta have to be careful on that. This is the sort of stuff that's gonna damage my trailer, really. Nearly there. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Damn it. Hard. That's fucking hard work. There's a lot of nails on this bridge, so I have to be very, very careful. Ah, shit. Getting there. No, I'm wondering, why am I crossing a river? I'm not really going to Thailand, you know. Here it is. so glad that the lady on that shop there warned me that that road there is very bumpy. So she suggested to take this road again and then turn left. So essentially just following the Mekong River. Are you guys just chilling out there? Can't blame you, it's too hot out there. I've seen a turning there with a dirt road. Right, where are we? Savannakhet, very close. Gonna stop here at the temple. Gonna cook some food and then carry on up to Savannakhet. In order to get to Savannakhet, I would either take that dirt road or this one here. Another dirt road. Oh well. Yeah, I'm gonna have to be very slow here. My bike doesn't like mud and dirt and gravel roads. This one isn't too bad, it's very flat, so I think I can manage. Not the ideal place to get a flat tire. So I'm gonna have to ride very slow. It's too hot as well, it's midday. I'm just looking for the next shade really. And then I'm gonna have to cook my own food. I bought some sticky rice or cow meal. That'd be nice to find some shade. It's super dry out there. It's so hot. Let me check how many. Okay, it's 33 degree, 0.7. It's so hot. It's not even 12 yet. Look at this. It's a forest temple. Okay, I need a forest temple. That's where I'm gonna be. They didn't want to let me into the temple, and the guy was saying that it's too rocky. It kind of makes sense because the name says forest temple, so I can imagine there's lots of rocks in there. But I don't know, I mean, there's gotta be a road. I just don't know why he was too adamant that I should carry on to Savannakhet. I said to him, like, just need to stop for a bit, you know, rest before I carry on. But he said, no. Well, you gotta trust the local, I suppose. This is like a desert. Jeez, look at this. Nothing. No living being. Maybe apart from the cows. Ah, man. Woof. Adventure. How's my trailer back there? Hope it's doing fine. This is what Tino and Alice was warning me about. Apparently there's a lot of this from Thakhek into the Port Thousand Islands, and it's probably much worse than this. That's why they're warning me not to go. Yeah, but it's kind of adventure. Like I said, I always prefer going through the villages. It's just better. I mean, you're more in touch with the locals, get to see more of what they do in their day-to-day lives. Whereas in the motorway, all you see is just nothingness, you know, like a lot of trucks and cars passing by. And not only that, you get to inhale a lot of those smokes. This is way better for me. If I pick up some kind of a punctured tire here, this is not the place you want to be in. There's not even a shade you can go under, you know, to fix your tire. So yeah, I'm kind of worried in a way, but hey, if it happens, it happens. Oh man, I hate when I see these things here. Yeah, a lot of trash. So dry. No wonder why I've been seeing cars or trucks out here. It's kind of still considered a main road according to Google, but as you can see, it's just so remote. But anyway, it's kind of a nice adventure before I get to the next town. It's just that it's close to midday and there's no shelter. If I get stuck here or get a flat tire somehow, this is not the place. It looks like I still have about 200 or 300 meters to go before I join the next road. And the next road's probably not even that good either. I've seen a lot of potholes already since I've left the monastery this morning. There's a couple of Belgian couple that was cycling this morning that I bumped into. They said they haven't met a single cyclist since they arrived from Bangkok. And I have a feeling this is the route that they're taking because no one literally dare cycle here. It's more fun though. Look at the size of my bike and this guy's bike. The crew's coming. Why is he hiding? That's kind of an outlet into the Mekong River over there. Right there. Look at this. Look at the condition of this. That's a big hole. I mean, if you step on that, you're surely gonna break your balls. You're not gonna fall through, obviously, unless you're a kid. Where's Savannakhet? Where am I going through here? This is such an odd way. But look at that, it's pure nature. I like it.